Hey, what's up everybody? Abbas here from Golden Motor. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the bottom bracket size on your CYC Photon. So the good thing about the CYC Photon is that the bottom bracket size is very interchangeable. You can go from a 68 to an 83 to a BB92 to a 100 and 120 in a matter, and then you can switch over from fat bike to a normal 68 in a matter of just parts. So I'm just gonna tell you what parts are required to change it and what spacers and spindles you need. There's three different left bottom bracket cups that go on the other side of the kit. So this is the one for the 68, the smallest one. The 100 millimeter and the BB92 one are the same size, and then there's the 120. And then obviously the spindle length will be different also. So this is the one for the 68. The one for the 100 and BB92 is the same. And then this is the one for the 120. So the smallest left bottom bracket cup is meant for 68 all the way 83. The only thing different will be the amount of spacers you use. So these three spacers, which add up to 15 millimeters, there's a 7 millimeter, there's a 5 millimeter, and a 3 millimeter. So that makes sense. From 83 to 68, you have to cover 15 millimeters to work for both, all like that range of bottom bracket sizes. These three spacers are actually included in all different kits. So if you have a BB92, if you have a 100 or 120, you still get these three sets, but technically you won't use it if you have an exact 100 millimeter or 120. You don't need these spacers. But I mean, if you are between 100 and 120, you might need these spacers, and then each of these also come with a pair of shims. So every bike geometry is different. So if you want to have a good chain line and a better Q factor, you can use these as needed. There's also spindle spacers. So for the 68 millimeter, you only need one 4 millimeter spindle spacer. For the BB92 and the 100, you need one 7 millimeter spacer. And then for 120, you need both the 4 and the 7. So that you want to space it up all the way to where the cranks are coming, so you don't want to have any space over there. So on the screen right now, I'm gonna put down the recommended spacer, like on which side you put the spacers on to have the best Q factor you can. So I'll put that on the screen right now. There's an A-frame. So for the 68, BB92, and the 100, there's one of these A-frames that's like a flat one. But for the 120, you have to have a special A-frame that's kind of protruding a little bit. But yeah, that's all the parts that we have right now. I'll put it on the screen right now so you can check it out. But that's it for this video.